Hello and welcome to another new video. In the last video, we have discussed all the files and folders of Laravel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the Laravel routing system. So before starting the video, let's create a fresh new Laravel project. So let's get into the video together. Okay. First of all, I'm going to open the command prompt. Here you can see my command prompt is open. So I'm going to go inside my desktop. So I'm inside my desktop. That means I'm here. So let's create a new Laravel fresh project. So just type composer create project Laravel /Laravel and give it any name that you want, but I'm going to give it example. So my Laravel project name is example. Just hit enter and it will take some time. So here you can see my Laravel project is installing. It will take some time. So in the meantime, I'm going to pause the video. After completing this installation, I will come back to this point again. So here you can see my project has been created successfully. So here you can see my project has been created successfully, and now go inside the project. So this is my project. So in my project we have lot of folders and files. You can see right here. Let's open the project in any kind of code editor. I'm going to use Notepad code editor because it is user friendly. Let's open the code editor, and here I'm going to open my project. So my project is inside desktop folder and example, my project name. So here you can see this is my project. So I'm going to cover route in this video. So what is route? Let's go to the Laravel official documentation. Here you can see this is the Laravel official documentation. So here we are going to cover routing. So let's get into this. So this is the routing part. If you see, they told here that the most basic Laravel route accept a URI and a closure. So what does it mean? An URI means uniform resource indicator, and a closure, that means a callback function, and it provides a very simple and expressive method of defining routes and behavior without complicated routing configuration files. So let's do this together. So here you can see this is our routes file web.php. So if you see this, we have defined one route, which you can see here. This is our default route that is given our newly created Laravel project. So this is the URI. So this is the home URI, just /. If you hit this URI, you will get a view return. So the view is welcome view. So if you go inside this resource folder and views folder, you can see this is our welcome view. So let's start the project together. PHP artisan sharp. Sorry, I have to navigate to my project folder first. So I have inside my example project folder. Now type PHP artisan sharp. So here you can see they have provided us a link. Just copy the link and paste the link inside any kind of browser. So just paste it in a new tab, and here you can see this is our newly created Laravel project. Okay, so this is the home view. This is the welcome view that we can see here. Just copy all the things from this welcome view and remove everything and save, and just type something inside h1 tag. Just type hello Laravel. So if you go again browser and reload, you can see hello Laravel. That means whenever we are hitting onto the / URI, we are getting back to this view. So how we can create our own customized route? So let's create our own customized fast route. Just type route ; so the name of this operator is scope resolution operator. So after that you can use different types of method, but the very basic method is get method. So inside this get method they are going to take two things. The first one is URI. Okay, so we are going to use / let's say home. Okay, this is our URI and we are going to use a callback function here or a closure. So in this closure you can just simply return any kind of string as well. Let's say we are going to return hello from home. Hello from home. It will also work fine. Okay, let's give it a try. So if you go to the browser and type home, you can see hello from home. Okay, and similarly if you want to return a view from here, you can do this by your own. Just return a view. Let's say the view name is home. So if you see, we have no views here called home. So first of all we have to create. You can create a view manually, but we are not going to use the manually form. So we are going to use the command to create the view. So what is the command of creating a? So here you can see we have come back to our project directory and let's create a view. PHP artisan make view and give a name. Let's say our view name is home and hit enter. Here you can see we have created our view inside our resource folder, views folder and home.blade.php. So here you can see we have created a home view. So they provided me a div. So here you can type h2 tag and inside hello from home view. Okay, and close the h2 tag. Save it and let's try it in the browser. It will not work. First of all we have to run our server php artisan serve. So our server is running now. If we reload the browser, we're going to get the result. So here you can see the result is hello from home view. That means it is very easy to return a view using our route. So you can either return any kind of string from your route or you can return any kind of view from your route. So similarly, if you want to create a view inside a folder, you can do this by your own. Just drop the server and type php artisan make view. Let's say our view name is common. So inside our common dot header. So if you hit enter, then you can see our header view is created but inside our common folder. So you can do this command before typing your view file. You can type the folder name so that you can create your view file inside a folder. Okay, So how we will show this? So let's go inside this header file and type something, let's say h3, and type hello from header file, save it. To show this, inside this web route we have to create another route. First of all, we have to use the URI, let's say header, and the second one is a closure. Just return a view. So but here our view name is header, but header view is inside the common folder, so we have to type common first, then dot, and then our view name. Okay, save it and give it a try. Refresh. So this is our home URI, but if we type header, first of all we have to start our PHP server, PHP artisan server. You have to keep in mind, without starting the server we will not be able to run this. Okay, just refresh and give it a try. So here you can see hello from header file. So this is running successfully. So that's it for the video. In the next lecture we are going to cover what is controller and how we can use controller in our Laravel project. So till then, take care. Bye.